All right, let me take you to my workshop in my backyard. I have this little tent that I have in here that covers up all the noise and muffles, but the most important thing is the UFO lighting. And I have 3 of them, all right? Because I need a lot of lighting, not only for myself, because I do a lot of filming in here. This light doesn't overheat. It's perfect. It has sensors, if you guys can see that. Extra connections. You could that's for the dimmers. You could set up the dimmers. That's what it is for. But right now I want it bright as it is, so when I come in, all 3 lights. But this one has been the centerpiece of all because it is lighting up this entire area. I do my workshop here. I have my tools in here, my 3D models that I print, I spray, I paint, I grind. But if it wasn't for these kind of lights, I wouldn't do any of this work right here. Highly recommend you. It's 1 hook. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna see if I can focus in the top. I just zip tied it. That's how I hang this thing, and it's been working very well. Of course, this is on metal right here. Plenty for good. This is indoor, but it could be outdoor. But recommendations, keep it indoor because it has actually a metal piece on the top that it's a radiator to cool down the actual lights. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Bright, and look how bright it is in here because of all 3 of them. So you're gonna get one, get all 3 of them.